Dear students, in previous period we have learnt three characteristics of living beings, that are living beings are made up of cells, living beings respire, living beings eat food. Remaining characteristics let us see now. Fourth characteristic is living beings grow. Students, observe the pictures given below on your textbook. See on your textbook. See in first one picture, there was one baby that grows in kid, and next that grows in adult. Next that plant grows in tree. Chicken grows in hen, like this. Okay. So these pictures show the growth of that particular organism. So in every picture this is an increase in height and size. This is called as a growth. See, observe that pictures. In first picture see, second see, third see. When that from birth to when we compare, that we found their increase in height and size. This is called the growth. Means this shows living beings grow. Again one example I will give. See, when you were in first standard, okay, if your school uniform or any other uniform or dress that not fit now you, okay, that not fit you. Why like that became? Because now you grows and your height and size is increased. So that dress or uniform not fit now. Okay, this shows growth in living organisms. This happens in every organism, every living organism. So students, certain statements related to growth are given below. If the statements are correct, put right mark. If not, means put wrong mark there. Correct the incorrect statement and right. Students, see on your textbook. All organisms are small at the time of birth, later acquire definite height and size. This statement is correct. Right? How is there like that in downside? All organisms are small at the time of birth and later they acquire definite height and size. See this picture. Compare this statement here. See here, all organisms are small during birth. Later they acquire a definite height and size. See this. So this statement is correct. Means during the birth time all organisms are small and later they grows in height and size and definite. Okay. Next see. Next, growth takes place rapidly in 1 or 2 days. See students,
can we grow?
We can grow
1 or 2 days?
1 or 2 days? Will become big or no? Growth takes place rapidly in 1 or 2 days. It is a wrong statement, because any organism, means every organism here, want more days, many days to grow. Growth not takes place fast. We can't grow in 1 or 2 days. After birth, the baby not grows in 1 or 2 days in kid, not that take admission in first standard. Okay, so to take first standard, but to we want here 7 years. So this period is slow period. Okay, so growth can't take place rapidly in 1 or 2 days. Here you write growth not takes place rapidly in 1 or 2 days. Next, see, plant growth is observed at its stem tip, okay, stem tip or the size the stem. Yes, this statement is correct. Observe the plant when that grows, small plant, okay, in tree. See, that time observe you that stem tip or the size of the stem is increases. Okay, so this statement is correct here. Okay, now we learnt about the living beings grows.
Next characteristic of living being is fifth, living beings move.
Students, observe this picture. Okay, all these are related to movement. Movement is a living characteristic special of animals. Okay, animals move from one place to another place. They have special organs for this. Some animals are using 4 legs, like a dog, giraffe, cheetah. Okay, some animals use 2 legs. Okay, so human beings, we and kangaroo also use 2 legs to move.
Birds are
Using legs for walking and wings for flying, and say fish is using swimming bladders. Okay, so this type organisms are using different organs for move. Hence, plants also shows movement. Plants do not have special organs for movement as in like animals. Okay, plants do not move one place to another place, but they still shows movement. Observe the pictures on mobile screen. Roots growing towards water in the soil, and sunflower plant turning towards the sun. Observe that, then you can understand how plants moving. Okay, this is the movement in plants. Okay,
now we have one activity. See here, plants shows movement. Potted plant in a room. Let light pass in through the window. Observe here, all the plants turn towards sunlight. This activity must shows us plants have movement. Think this.
students, like a fan, bus, car, these things also moves from. Okay, so these are non-living things. These are not moves own. These are moved through the influence of human beings. Okay, my dear students, till we have learnt about 5 characteristics of living beings. Living beings are made up of cells. Living beings respire. Living beings eat food. Living beings grow, and living beings move. Okay,
remaining characteristics of living beings we will learn in next period. Okay.